Here I have ALCATEL U3, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly you have to open settings. Then you have to go to the language and input section. Then language. And here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. As you can see, it's not very big. Let's select, for example, Russian. And then after that, language will be changed to Russian automatically. So if you want to change it back to English, just go to the настройки. Then to the язык и клавиатура, язык, and select English. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.